In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect YouTube from your phone to your TV. Whether you want to mirror your screen, cast a video, or just enjoy your favorite content on the big screen. It's super easy and works with almost any modern TV. If you have a smart TV, Chromecast, or a streaming device like Roku or Fire Stick, just open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap the video you want to watch, then look for the cast icon. It looks like a small TV symbol in the top right corner. Tap that and a list of available devices will pop up. Select your TV or streaming device from the list. Once connected, the video will start playing on your TV automatically. You can still control playback from your phone. Pause, play, adjust volume, or even queue up the next video. If your TV supports screen mirroring, you can also mirror your entire phone screen. On Android, go to Settings, Connected Devices Cast, then turn on screen mirroring and select your TV. On iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and choose your Apple TV or AirPlay-enabled smart TV. Once mirrored, open YouTube on your phone and play any video. It'll show up on your TV in real time. Thanks for watching. If this helped you connect YouTube from your phone to your TV, drop a comment below and let me know which method worked best, casting or screen mirroring. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. See you next time.